how to delete message on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete message on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and now go to messages, and once you're here just select any chat you want, like this one, Spotify. And now all you need to do, it's easy, just hold on it, and as you see here is it, delete. Now click on it, and that's it. Now click give permission and select Truecaller, and then click set as default, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.